Welcome to Milk and Honey Heritage Farms, and I'm Heather. Thank you so much for being here. So what I have here are some regular sized pine cones here in Oregon that were dipped with wax and colored. Some of them are green, some of them are kind of like a burgundy color, and these can be used as fire starters or decor or both for an emergency. But what I wanted to show you is a ginormous pine cone here in Oregon from a monkey tree. And again, these are regular size pine cones in Oregon. And these are from a monkey tree. Check this out. Aren't those huge? They're pretty cool. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I've got to clean them off a little bit. I have a whole box of them, but yeah, I don't know. Those could be fire starters too, I suppose. They would be pretty ginormous. I don't know. We'll see what I end up doing with them. I hope that you're all having a wonderful day. And thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. And I hope that you check out all the videos and see if there's something there that will inspire you or help you in something that you're doing. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day.